are you ready for the fourth part of the Kurdish verb simplified series? No, yes, let's go then. So last time we had Hostin, Karin, Girtin, Dan, and Man, right? And so in this video we are going to see Birin, Nivisin, Khwandin, Fikrin, Khabtin. So the first verb is Birin. Birin means to take. So to take somewhere else, not to this direction, but to another direction, not to yourself, to somewhere else, okay? To there, not here. So if you speak about taking here, it will be anin, bringing, but it is to taking, okay? So the present stem is ber, the past stem is ber. It's a transitive verb. So از باوی خواه دبم نخوشخانه جبرکو او بتنه نکاره هره. So I am taking my father to the hospital, not here, there. So I use برن. دبم جبرکو او نکاره بتنه هره. He cannot go alone. So in the past, من باوی خواه بر نخوشخانه جبرکو وی نکاری بتنه هره. So you see here, in both tenses it is نخوشخانه because it is destination, it's indirect object. So indirect objects are always in oblique form. If it was described to the big hospital, to the new hospital, you would use إضافة. نخوشخانه مزن, نخوشخانه نو for both tenses. To want to be kudere. To want to be kudere. So where are you taking them? So you see, with this verb, so it is same as done. I mean, we use both direct object and indirect object. What we take, to where we take. To one or those people, them. To be kudere. Where are you taking them? So kudere, it's the question to where, like the question of direct object, pardon, indirect object, the question of indirect object, kudere, always at the end. تأو برن كودره. Where did you take them? تأو برن كودره. أو تشتبه ماله he or she is what is taking home. What is she or he taking home? أو تشتبه ماله. Chu is what and male is to home. We were چبر ماله. We سيفك برماله an apple. We خوارن برماله. We زاروك برماله. We هفالين خو برماله. We دوباوي خو برماله. Okay. وانجي بخورة دبن. We are taking them with ourselves as well. So بخورة. So بخورة with yourself بخورة. I mean, if you want to say I am taking with myself as بخورة. تو بخورة, أو بخورة, هن بخورة, etc. And in the past, ما أوجي بخورة برن. So برن because أو is plural. Okay? هن دخوازن ما ببن picnic. Do you want to take us to the picnic? وخوست ما ببن picnic. It's just in the past. Here we have the modal hosten. That's why ببن is in the subjunctive form. أو زاروك وكوچكن خود دبن park. They are taking their kids and dogs to the park. One زاروك وكوچكن خود برن park. They took their kids and dogs to the park. تو چما کوچکه خود بخوره دبی. Why are you taking with your dog with you? تو چما باوی خود بخوره دبی. تو چما کچا خود بخوره دبی. Or negative. تو چما کچا خود بخوره ناوی. Why don't you take your daughter with you? And دما بوری تا چما کوچکه خود بخوره بر. تا چما خوشکا خود بخوره بر. تا چما داییکا خود بخوره بر. Okay? So while you write these examples down, چایامن دکله. My tea is boiling. تمام. You write them down as stem. I'm coming. أري من تشاي أخذ شكر I made my tea. Okay, spas for waiting me. Okay, now let's have a look at نویسین. So نویسین is to write. You may remember this verb from نویسکار, writer. So نویس is the present stem, نویسی is the past stem. It's a transitive verb. So من تا we were in the past نویسی. Oh, so you may see the verb نویساندن as well. نویساندن. So it's also to write. The present stem is نویس as the نویسم, but the past stem will be نویساند. Okay, so you can use both. But for this verb, for this video, I will use نویسی. از ناوی خود نویسم. من ناوی خود نویسی. تو چه نویسی؟ تا چه نویسی؟ او نزانی چه بنویسه. We were نزانی چه بنویسه. Didn't know what to write. ام جخوندکارن خوره ایمیلان دنویسن. ام جخوندکارن خوره ایمیلان دنویسن. So we are writing to our students, to our parents. جوره. Okay, you need جوره. جوره. Okay, as جباوی خوره دنویسم. I'm writing to my father. جوره. In the past, ما جخوندکارن خوره ایمیل نویسی. So ایمیلان in the present, oblique email in the past, because in the past we have simple direct objective. هون چما جی واتساپ نویسن. Why are you writing from WhatsApp? و چما جی واتساپ نویسی. او لسر دیواران سلوگانان دنویسن. They are writing slogan on the walls. وان لسر دیواران سلوگان نویسین. So سلوگانان oblique, سلوگان simple. تو چیروکن کردی دنویسی. تا چیروکن کردی نویسین. تو چیروکان دنویسی. Do you read Kurdish stories? نه از چیروکان ننویسم. از چیروکان ننویسم. I don't write Kurdish stories. و فهم کر حوالین هجام. So if it is I am writing to you as جتره دنویسم. I am writing to him as جویره دنویسم. As جویره دنویسم. So you need جوره. Okay? Important. Oh, verb adın خوندن. You may know this verb from خوندکار, student. خوندن is to both study and read. خوین, the present stem. خوند is the past stem. So as لزاننگه بشا anthropology دخوینم. I am studying anthropology department in the university. من لزاننگه بشا anthropology خوان. So بشا anthropology. Okay, together. تو چه دخوینی? So تو چه دخوینی here? It can be what are you reading? What are you studying? So if you see someone reading something, تو چه دخوینی? Or if you see something in the university, تو چه دخوینی؟ بشاته چیه? Okay? So it depends on the environment and the context. Okay? تا چه خوند? What did you study? What did you read? او دکاره پرتوکن کردی بخوینه. He or she can read Kurdish books. We وکاری پرتوکن کردی بخوینه. Could read. ام جزاروکن خوره for our kids or to our kids. چیروکن دخوین. We are reading stories to our kids, for our kids. ما جزاروکن خوره چیروک خوندن. چیروک, not چیروکن. چیروک خوندن. هون چما وانو چه اندخوین. Why are you reading these news? و چما اونو چه خوندن. not وانو چه. او بمعموسته گلره زمان کردی دخوینن. وان بمعموسته گلره زمان کردی خوند. تو لکو داره دخوینی؟ What do you study? تا لکو داره خوند. من لإسطنبول خوند. I studied in the university. و من لموسكوفا خوند. I studied in Moscow. long story. چیروکا که قال لك درجة. اوه هكا از درس بكم از نكهرم خلاص بكم. حتى الصبح دبيهن اللي من جهداري بكم. اوكي اللي كرادن فكرين. اوكي so فكرين It looks like transitive, right? But in Kurmanji it is strange, but it's intransitive. Intransitive. فكر present stem, فكري past stem. As لتتفكرم I think of you. As لتفكريم براستيجي to وسد فكري. Really? Do you think so? براستيجي to وسد فكري. Really? Did you think so? أو اللي صار master أخذ الفكرة. He or she thinks on their master. أو اللي صار master أخذ فكري in the past. So here you see the فكري past. أم مجبورا مالبات أخذ بفكر. We must think our family, about our family, right? So when you decide, when you do any plan, you أم مجبورا مالبات أخذ بفكر. وده معبوري. أم مجبور بون مالبات أخذ بفكر. مجبور بون. توتش ده فكري. What do you think? توتش ده فكري. توتش فكري. as فكريم أم دكارن هرن تتتندن. Okay? So never من فكري, never تفكري, never we فكري. Okay? It's intransitive. Strange but intransitive. I don't know why. My ancestors, yeah. The last verb is خبتين. It's to work. So you know karkeren, right? Karkeren. It's also working. So it's easy to use karkeren. That's why I wrote خبتين. So karkeren, it's transitive. Min karker, ta karker, we karker because of keren. But خبتين, it's intransitive. Yeah. So as جمالة خبتم, I work from home. As جمالة خبتيم, I worked from home. To liver خبتي, do you work here? To liver خبتي, did you work here? أو جي لجموة خبتة. So with this video and with the previous one, you have seen لجم, right? So لجم is literally next to but with. So is he or she also working with you in the past? أو جي لجموة خبتي. أري أو جي لجمع خبتي نا أو لجمع نخبتي. أم قالكي تخبتن we work. أز قالكي تخبتن باورم أز خبات كوليكم كار كوليكم. ياي my parents they raised me this way أز نزانم. أري باوي من جي كار كوليكة, باوي من جي خبات كوليكة. أز هرتم وي رخنتكم I always criticize him لأز جي كار كوليكة. جيان قالكي عجيبة. It's very weird, right? You become what you criticize. دویم روف رخنتك. Okay. هون حسدكن لبرب خبتن. Do you enjoy working here? أري قالكي حسدكم اللي مالي بخبتن. وحسكر لبرب خبتن. Did you enjoy working here? نعم من حسنك لبرب خبتن. قالكي بدنجة very noisy. أو فان روجان ناخبتن. They are not working these days. أو حفتي عبوري نخبتن. نخبتين. Okay, so with the past we have e. Be careful. تلكودا تخبتين. أز لمالي تخبتن. هوالي من الأوفيسي تخبتن. هوالي من لزانجيه تخبتين. ميري من جي لأوفيس أخذ تخبتين. باوي من لقون تخبتين. أز لمالي تخبتن. كاري هركسي جوداية. Everyone's work is different. تلكودا خبتين. تول زانجيه خبتي, تول مالي خبتي, تول كودة خبتي. What did you work? اللي لكو ببيشة أزقه لارد. وفهمكر. So these verbs are very useful. دوه هون وان حموف اللي كران وان حموف وان هين ببن جبار بكن. You need to memorize them. Their conjugations. I hope you enjoyed all these lessons. So see you in another video.